for the main course meal for the entire family.
That's what's cooking as we grab a bite with Belkys.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner. I've got one for you. Some chicken thighs in a creamy garlic sauce. Sounds good? Because it is good. Let's do it. For this one, you're gonna need about 8 boneless, skinless chicken thighs, some salt and pepper, smoked paprika, butter, garlic, chicken broth, white wine, and some heavy cream. We're starting with the chicken thighs. All I did was throw them in a bowl and add paprika, pinch of salt, pinch of freshly ground pepper, toss it, coat it, and now we're just gonna add this to a nice hot pan that's got butter in it. Got a nice hot pan over here, and we're just gonna drop our chicken thighs in. The secret here is put them in and don't touch them. Cook them like 6-7 minutes on each side. Like I said, I didn't touch my chicken, and now I'm gonna flip it over and look what beautiful color it has. And we're gonna go another 6 minutes on this side, and then we're gonna work on our sauce. I got my chicken off. I'm just gonna put it to the side. Lowered the heat, and I'm gonna add a little more butter to this. And I lowered the heat because now I'm gonna add some garlic to the pan, and I don't want my garlic to burn. This is sliced garlic. Put that in till it starts to get fragrant. Does not take very long at all. Now we're gonna add some chicken stock to this to get all those brown bits off the bottom of your pan. Let this simmer a couple of minutes, let it reduce a little, cook down. Our chicken broth cooked down a little, and now we're gonna add a little bit of white wine to our pan. Just let it simmer for a while, and it's gonna reduce. Last but not least, got some heavy whipping cream here, and we're just gonna blend that in. This sauce smells delicious. It's reduced considerably, so all we wanna do is get our chicken back in there. Let it simmer in that creamy garlic sauce for a little bit. Let it get coated in that sauce and serve it up. I garnish mine with a little bit of parsley just for a little pinch of color, and there it is. Some chicken thighs in a creamy garlic sauce. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Belkys Nere. Bon appetito.
Looks good to me. Belkys, where the to-go plates. All right, for more information on this and other recipes, just head to our website. That is WSVN.com. Be sure to click on entertainment and then click on Bite. And for the latest and greatest all things culinary, be sure to check out Belkys' Bite blog, also on our website.